Hello students, in this lecture we will see cyclic group. Now before that, first we will see order of the group. What is mean by the order of the group? Means suppose you have the group Z4. So how many elements in group Z4? There are 4 elements. Therefore the order of the group Z4 is 4. Means how many elements in that group, which is the order of group. So let's see the definition. Order of group. So order of group is nothing but number of elements in that group. So let G be finite group, then the order of group is number of elements in group, and order of group is defined by and or denoted by, and order of group denoted by mod G. So this is the order of group G, which is that is how many elements in that group denoted by mod G. So this is called order of G. For example, suppose in Z4, so Z4 how many elements in Z4? So 4. So order of Z4 is 4. Now units in N. So how many elements in U of N? So there are 5 of N. 5 of N means N, the number of elements are 5 N defined by A should be less than N and GCD of A N should be 1. So that type of element in 5 of N. So the number which should be less than N and that are relatively prime to N are the numbers are 5 of N. So this is U of N. Next V4. So Klein 4 group. How many elements in Klein 4 group? There are 4 elements: identity A, B, and C. So order of Klein 4 group is 4. So next Zn star. So order of Zn star. So this is again 5 of N. So number of elements which are relatively prime to N. Next order of set of integers, order of set of real numbers, and order of complex number. Order of rational numbers is infinite. So which is so Z, R, C, and Q has infinite order. Now let's see the definition of cyclic group. So what is meant by cyclic group? Now when we say that group G should be cyclic, suppose you have an example that Z4. So Z4 has element 0, 1, 2, 3. So when we say that group is cyclic, if this is the group G, which is Z4, has element 0, 1, 2, 3. So Z4 has operation addition, and here Klein 4 group Zn star 5 of N has operation multiplication. Means the elements is of the type multiplication, integer power of some numbers, and here here the operation is addition. So we will see first definition of cyclic group. So let's see cyclic groups. Let's see the definition. Let G be group under binary operation. Then we say that G is said to be cyclic group if there exists an element A belongs to set G such that for all B belongs to G, B is equal to some A raised to K. So B is equal to A raised to K for some K belongs to set of integers. For some K belongs to set of integer. In this case, we see that G is generator of A. In this case, in this case, G is, in this case, we say that G is generated by element A, generated by element A, and denoted by notation G is equal to generator A. Means A generates whole group G, then we say that group G is cyclic and which is generated by the element A. So when we say that G is cyclic, if there exists an element in set G such that for all elements B belongs to G is of the form B is equal to A raised to K, for some K belongs to set of integers. In this case, we say that G is generated by element A. So or means A generates all the elements from group G, then A is called generator and G is equal to generator A, which is cyclic group. So for example, G is equal to, suppose this is minus 3, A raised to minus 2, A raised to minus 1, A raised to 0, A raised to 1, A raised to 2, up to so on, or A cube and so on, or this can be written as set A raised to n for n belongs to set of integers. So this is the, if the operation is, so this is for operation is multiplication. If operation is multiplication, then operation of group G is multiplication. So dot. So if operation is multiplication, then group of element is like this. So A raised to minus 3, A raised to minus 2, A raised to minus 1, A raised to 0, A raised to 1, A raised to 2, A cube and so on. So elements are like this, A raised to some power n belongs to set of integer. Now if the operation is addition, then what is the type of elements? If operation is addition, then G is equal to generator A is of the form elements minus 3A, minus 2A, minus A, 0, A, twice A, thrice A and so on, which is of the types n into A, where for some n belongs to set of integers. So this is if the operation is addition, operation of the group G is addition. Means what? If you have additive group, then A is generator and element is always of the form minus 3A, minus 2A, minus A, 0, A, twice A, thrice A and so on. And if you have a multiplicative group, then the elements of the group G must be of the form dot dot A raised to minus 3, A raised to minus 2, A raised to minus 1, or A raised to 0, A raised to 1, A square, A cube and so on, which is in general A raised to n for some n belongs to natural numbers, set of integers. And here G is additive group, then the number is of the form n into A, where n belongs to set of integers. So now here operation of the group is multiplication and here is operation of group is addition. Now let's see the example how it works. So take example. For example, if I take group Z4, the group Z4 under binary operation addition, here Z4 means addition modulo 4 operation. So here is operation addition is cyclic group, So the group Z4 under addition is cyclic group, means there exists an element in Z4 such that whose order and group of order is same, means there exists an element in Z4 such that which generates all the elements in Z4, then we say that Z4 plus 1 is cyclic group. Means we have to find an element in Z4 which generates whole group. Now let's see here solution to show this is cyclic group, means order of elements is same as order of group. Here what is the order of Z4? Here order of Z4 is 4. Here this is order, or can be written as order of Z4, right? So you can show order of Z4 is like this. Here this is the notation of order of 4, or you can write it as O of Z4. This is order of Z4. So order of Z4 is 4, and Z4 has elements 0, 1, 2 and 3. So here is additive group, and we have seen in previous that if operation is addition, the elements is always of the form n into a, right? That is, suppose here minus thrice a, minus twice a, minus a, 0, a, twice a, and so on, right? So here 0. So what is order? So here what is the definition? Which is n into a, where n belongs to set of natural number. So here is first element 0. So 0, I will take 1 into 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Means 1 into 0, the meaning of that is 0 is added to 1 times. So which is 0. So here I get, so what is the additive identity? Additive identity is 0, 0, and multiplicative identity is 1. So if 0 comes, then operation you can stop operation. Here 1 into 0, 0. So order of 0 is 1, because so order 1 into 0 is 0. So order of 0 is 1. Now I will take next element 1. So next element 1 will be, so I take 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Next I will take 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Next I will take 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 means we can add 1 2 times, means 1 plus 1, which is 2, right? Next I will take 3 into 1. 3 into 1 means what? Addition of 1 3 times. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3, right? Next I will take 4 into 1. 4 into 1 means addition of 1 4 times, which is again 4. Next 5 into, so here modulo operation Z4 means here 4 into 1, which is equal to 4, and 4 modulo 4, which is congruent to what? 0. So that is here 4 into 1 is equal to 0. Here 4 into 1 0 means what? Order of 1 should be what? 4. That is order of 1 should be 4. Therefore here order of group G is 4, and order of element were again 4. Therefore means here we get 0. If I again repeated this, then I get again same element. So 1 2 3 and 4. 4 means 4 modulo 4 again 0. If I repeat, suppose I will get, if I write here 4 into 1. So if I write 5 into 1, 5 into 1 means what? Addition of 1 5 times, means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is 5 times, which is 5. So 5 modulo 4, which is again 1. So I have already in the set 1. So if I write 6 into 1, then we get 6, right? And 6 modulo 4, which is again 2. So I have already in the set. See, if I again take 7 into 1, which is equal to 7, and 7 modulo 4. So modulo 4 operation, so which is 3. I have already in the set, right? Next 8 into 1, which is equal to 8, and 8 modulo 4, which is 0. I have already in the set, right? So if I get 0 in addition operation, then operation can be stopped. So the order of that element, so order of 1 should be 4. Now again next element, which is 2. Now 2. So first I will take 1 into 2. So 1 into 2 means what? Addition of 2 1 times, which is 2, right? So next addition of here 2 into 2, so 2 into 2 what, 4, 4 model 4 which is congruous to 0, so here I get 0, therefore order of 2 should be what, 2, so order of 2 is equal to 2. Next element is 3, so 3, so I will write 1 into 3, so addition of 3 1 times which is 3. Next 2 into 3, so addition of 3 will be 2 times which is equal to 3 plus 3 which is 6, and 6 modulo 4, 6 modulo 4 will be 2, right? Next here I get 3 and here I get 2. Next here 1 into 3, 2 into 3, next I will take 3 into 3 which is equal to 3 into 3 means what, addition of 3 3 times, 3 plus 3 plus 3 which is 9, and 9 congruous to 4 which is congruous to what, 1, right? 9 congruous to 9 congruous to 4 means what, modulo 4 which is congruous to 1. So and last is 4 into 3 which is 4 into 3 means what, addition of 3 4 times, right? So 4 into 3 12, and congruous to what, modulo 4 operation will be 0, right? Here 4 into 3 is equal to 0, here operation you can stop, therefore order of 3 will be what, order of 3 will be 4. Here what are the order, here order of 0 is 1, order of 1 is 4, order of 2 is 2, here 2 I get 2 times addition, so here 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 4 congruous to 0, here I get 0, I will stop, so order of 2 is 2. Now here 1 into 3 3, 2 into 3 2, 3 into 3 1, 4 into 3 0, so I will stop here, so order of 3 will be 4, right? Therefore here order of an element, here 1 and 3 has order 4, means what, in Z4 there exists an element which generates whole group, which generates whole group means what, if 1 into 1 if like the if I consider element 1, then if 1 into 1 I get 1, so which is in the set, if 2 into 1 is equal to 2 which is again in the set, now 3 into 1 which is 3 again in the set, and last 4 into 1 which is 0, so 1 generates all whole group Z4. Now again I will see 3, so here I can see element 3, so which also generates group Z4, that because if here 1 into 3 is 3, so here, and here is 2 into 3 2 which is here, and 3 into 3 1, and last finally 4 into 3 is equal to 0, so here 1 and 3 are the generators of Z4. Therefore here what we say, that here we get the orders of all the elements, orders of all the elements of G. Hence here what are the orders, so order of 0 is equal to 1, or we can denote it by like this, order of 0 is equal to 1. Next order of 1, so order of 1 is equal to 4. Next order of 2, order of 2 is equal to what, 2. Next order of 3, order of 3 is equal to 4, right? Therefore here how many elements which generates the whole group, here 1 and 3, because order of 1 and order of 3 which is equal to 4, which is same as order of group, therefore 1 and 3 are the generators of that group, right? Therefore here we get order of 1 is equal to order of 3 is equal to 4. Therefore hence G has 1 and 3 are two generators. 1 and 3 are generators, means 1 and 3 generates all the elements from the group G, because if 1 into 1 1, 2 into 1 2, 3 into 1 3, and 4 into 1 0, which generates all the elements of the group, therefore 1 and 3 are the generators of the group. Here 0 and 0 and 2 are not generators, because here I take 1 into 0 0, here operation should be stopped, right? So only single element 0 we get, but in if I take 2, then only 2 elements I get, right? We don't get a whole set or whole group G. If I take generator 0 and 2, then I don't get a whole group Z4. If I take 1 and 3 as a generator, then if I generate these elements, then I get whole group Z4. Therefore 1 and 3 are the generators, hence which generated by elements 1 and 3. Therefore Z4 under addition is cyclic group, right? So here 1 and 3 are the generator of that group, means 1 and 3 generates whole group, or order of 1 and order of 3 is same as order of group. Therefore we say that Z4 under addition is cyclic group. Let's see another example, Z6 under addition modulo 6. Z6 addition, Z6 under addition modulo 6 is cyclic group, right? So here order of Z6 should be what? Order of Z6 is 6, because Z6 has 6 elements, which is 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? So we will check how, or we have to find generator in Z6 which generates whole group Z6. If there exists a generator, then we say that Z6 is cyclic group, right? If there does not exist an element which generates which doesn't generates whole group, then this is not cyclic. If there exists an element which generates whole group, then this is a cyclic group. Or we say that order of, there exists an element whose order is same as group of order, then we say that the group is cyclic. Now let's check. Now we have to find order. Now to find orders of elements, here group is additive. So group is additive, then elements is always of the form n into a. If group is multiplicative, then elements is of the form a raised to n, right? So here for some n belongs to what? Set of integers, means addition operation you will take elements of the form n into a, and multiplication operation you will take a raised to n. So first we will take example of addition operation, next we will see in multiplication operation, right? So here I will take 0. So 0, first I will take 1 into 0. So 1 into 0 means addition of 0 1 times, which is 0. Here 0 comes, means what? Order of 0 is 1. Now for here I get 0, I will stop. Now I will check for next number, which is 1. So 1 into 1 1. Next 2 into 1, which is addition of 2, addition of 1 2 times, which is 2. Next 3 into 1 means addition of 1 3 times, which is 3. So next 4 into 1, so addition of 1 4 times, means what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, right? So which is 4. And next 5 into 1, which is 5. And next 6 into 1, 6 into 1 6, and 6 modulo 6 operation will be what? 0, right? Here I get 0, means what? I will stop here. If I again take operation, then elements will be repeated, means I again get 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 0, right? And so on, means what? Here finally I get 0, means here order of 1 should be, order of 1 should be what? 6, right? Here the element of order 1 is 6, which is same as group of order, right? Therefore 1 is the generator of that group, means Z6 under addition is cyclic group, because 1 is the generator. Now again we will find order of next element 2. So here 2, so 1 into 2, which is 2, means addition of 2 1 times, which is 2. Next 2 into 2, which is 4. Next 2 into 3 into 2, which is 6, and 6 modulo 6, which is 0. Here I get 0, means what? order of 2 should be what? 3, right? Means I will add 2 3 times, then I get 0, means order of 2 should be 3. Here next I have to find next order of next element 3. So I will first 1 into 3, which is 3. Next 2 into 3, which is 6, which congruent to 0. Means here I have to add 3 2 times, then I get 0, means order of 3 should be 2, right? Next we have to find order of element 4. Here 4, first 1 into 4, which is 4. Next 2 into 4, which is 8, congruent to what? Modulo 6 operation means what? 2. Next 3 into 4, which is 12, and 12 congruent to what? 0, right? Here 4 into 3 is equal to 0, means what? Order of 4 should be what? 3. So here in generator 4 we get here 4 2 and 0. So here also get 4 2 and 0, means what? 4 and 2 generate same element, right? Next, now to find another element, order of another element, so 5, to find order of 5. So 1 into 5 5. Next 2 into 5, which is addition of 5 2 times, which is 10, and 10 modulo here 10 congruent to 6, means what? Modulo 6 I get 4. Next 3 into 5, so addition of 5 3 times, so 5 into 3 15, so which congruent to modulo 6, what will I get? 3. Next 4 into 5, 4 into 5 means what? Addition of 5 4 times, so which is 20, congruent to 6, which will be 2. Next 5 into 5, which is 25, and congruent to 6, what will I get? 1, because if I divide by 6, then remainder will be 1, because 6 into 4 24, and remainder will be 1. So next last 6 into 5, which is 30, and congruent to 6, which will be 0, right? Because here if I divide 30 by 6, then remainder should be 0. So here I get finally 0. Therefore, what is the order of element 5? So order of element 5 should be what? 6, right? Here how many elements in the Z6 whose order is same as group of order? So here order of 1 is 6 and order of 5 is again 6. Therefore, what we say that here we get order of 1 is equal to order of 5, which is equal to 6, which is same as order of group G, order of group Z6, right? Element of here we have find order of an element which is 6, which is same as order of group Z6, right? Which is 6. Therefore, here 1 and 5 are two generators of group Z6, right? Here 1 and 5 are the two generators which generates group Z6, because if here you look like here 1 into 1 1, here 2, here I get 3 4 5 and 6 means 0, means if I generated by this group 1, then after generating I get 4 elements here, 1 2 3 4 5 and last 0, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5, all the elements which generated by A. Again if I generated by 5, then again I get 0 1 2 3 4 5, here the same elements of Z6, means 1 and 5 are the generators of the group G. Therefore, what we say that here, therefore Z6 is cyclic group under addition, under operation addition, under operation addition.